Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson and today I am doing this makeup look you see right here. And the inspiration to this eyeshadow look was I really wanted to use this Tetris Ipsy collaboration palette that I got from my previous Ipsy unboxing video. I did cancel Ipsy, by the way. It just wasn't getting viewed that much, and really I don't need any more makeup, but to be honest, I'm probably going to be buying more. I just canceled it because I am kind of tight on money right now, but I'll probably end up spending the same, if not more anyway. But anyways, it gave me this very beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I wanted to use the game night color. It is a shimmer, how do you say, chartreuse color. It's like a shimmery chartreuse color, so it's like a lime green, like a in between a yellowish green type of eyeshadow, but I really like it. And I really love it, actually. That was one of the main colors I really loved from this palette. So I created this eyeshadow look. And yeah, I'll show you what all I used in this video. I'm also doing a first impressions of this e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. And spoiler alert, I'm loving it so far on first impressions. But yeah, let's get on to the video and you'll see what I'm using and how I'm using them. Okay, so first off, I'm going to try out this e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. I was supposed to use this on that drugstore bronzy glow look video that you saw not too long ago from me. But I forgot I bought this at TJ Maxx right before that video, so I'm going to be using it today. This will be kind of like a first impressions, and if I can remember, I'll use it afterwards. But I'm going to use this to prime my face because my face does feel really dry right now. So it says directions: use throughout the day, under or over makeup as often as needed. Hold bottle a few inches from face with eyes closed and spritz. So maybe I should shake it first. Oh, okay, that squirt. Okay, so I needed it a little bit further away than I did. I'm going to kind of just make sure it's in my skin because I think I sprayed a little bit too much, but that's okay because my face was feeling really dry. I really don't smell anything, but it could have a smell, and I just don't smell it over my self tanner that I have on my skin right now. So far, I like it. Yeah, all I can smell is my self tanner. So now I'm going to use the Kokie Professional Smooth Glow Hydrating Face Foundation Primer. No, I'm not. I'm not doing that yet. I'm going to do my eyes first. I'm gonna go get me some more coffee. So the main shade, or the main attraction of this makeup look I want to be, is this color right here. I'm sorry, my lighting is a little bit, I have a lot of lights right here on this side, but it's still darker than this side because this is kind of like the side where my window is, but then I can't be straight in front of it because the sun, you can see like little boxes on my background if I'm too close to the window. So anyways, I know y'all don't want to hear about that. Y'all just want to see what I'm doing. But yeah, that's the color I want to use, but it's from that Tetris palette, the Ipsy Tetris palette that was sent in the last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's the, what's it called? Game Night color right here. And yeah, that's what I'm going to put on my eyes. First, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Concealer right here to prime my eyes. I guess first I'm going to set it down with the Stack It Up color right here in that same palette, just for like a base. I'm going to focus it mainly where my brow bone is, like right under it, and then I'll just kind of dust it over the rest. Now I'm going to go in with the Game Changer color, and I'm going to use the same brush, kind of focus it on the outside edges, and then kind of work my way inwards, but basically in the crease. But this doesn't have to be precise. That's why I'm using this big fluffy brush, because this is just going to be like a transition color basically. I don't think this shade is going to need like primer to set it down. It seems really pigmented without it, so I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. I do like to use like a little brush that you normally like carve out your crease with and get that little color right off the tip and kind of like close my eyes. Since I do have hooded eyes, kind of mark out where you will start seeing that color. That way, I don't know, it's just like a guideline, which I think I was pretty much on where I was supposed to be anyways. So yeah, now I can use my finger to go up to where I was, but it looks like I was marking it out right anyway. Kind of do like so, and then just do the other eye like that. See how you can see the outline? That's where you want to apply it. And since I don't want this line to be precise, I'm going in with a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of, I don't know, blending it out a little bit with that transition color. So as you can tell the difference now, this just looks a little bit more put together than that side. So yeah, that helps out with that. And if you want to add a little bit more color or pigment where it might have lost some, just add it with your finger again. I'm pretty happy where it's at now. I know it looks a little crazy, but with wiping out the fallout and then making a cat eye or false lashes or both, that kind of, you know, helps out that. Alright, so I cleaned out my fallout, and now I'm using the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much. The best drugstore felt tip liner I have ever used so far. But yeah, I'm going to create a cat eye look, using this eyeliner, pencil, or felt tip liner, whatever. Alright, after you put your eyeliner up or put your eyeliner on and clean it up, then it comes out sort of like this. Now I'm going to put on my Kiss lashes, or no, these are ARDELL lashes. Here they are in the pack. See, it says ARDELL, and they are the 113 black, and these are like the Wispies. And I'm going to be using my Kiss strip lash adhesive to apply my lashes. Alright, after that, now I'm going to use that Kokie Professional Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer, because the foundation is coming next. I really need to buy some more Kokie, this brand, products, because so far so good. I've tried their facial mist, the hydrating facial mist, back in the past, maybe a year or two ago, and I loved it then, and I'm loving this facial primer more and more every time I use it. So most of my pores is around right here and around my nose. So that's where I like to focus it. And then I like to put a little bit more on my finger and then kind of use it as like almost like a moisturizer. I've said it before, but I'll say it again, just for comparison. The one I was using before was the Smashbox Primerizer, and I do really love that one, but this one's just different. Not to say I like it any more or any less. This is just more, I think it would be a little bit better for people that thinks the Smashbox Primerizer is too moisturizing and they, you know, maybe have oilier type of skin or more normal skin. You might enjoy this one more because it's not as much of a moisturizer, as, you know, it seems more like a primer than a moisturizer, if that makes any sense. Alright, after that I am going to put on some concealer under my eyes. That's pretty much all I feel like I need. I'm using the Physicians Formula concealer for my concealer. Alright, now I'm going to use my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex Foundation. And I'm using the shade MW2 because this is the darker shade. Since it is summer, I am a little bit more tan than normal. But yeah, I'm going to apply this for my foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl loose powder, and this is in the color Translucent Fair, and I really love this. If you like the old school CoverGirl smell, you'll like this. It does, I believe it blurs the pores, and it just gives a very clean finish. The only thing I can say that people might have a problem with this foundation is the smell. But I kind of enjoy the old school CoverGirl smell, so it's good to me. Alright, now I'm going to coat my bottom lashes, and I'm going to try to blend in my real lashes with my falsies a little bit better with the Pixi by Petra Lash Boost Mascara. Alright, after that I am going to use my ColourPop the Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights, and I am going to use the matte brown shade, the Virgo color, and I'm going to fill in my brows with that. After that I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Bronzer to bronze up my face. Right, as my blush slash highlight, I'm going to use the Pixi by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey, and apply that for my highlight slash blush. After that, I'm just going to clean off my foundation lips before applying my lip product. On my lips today, I am going to be using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish what's it called? Lipstick in the color Bear With Me. This is what it looks like a little closer up. And I'm going to go on top of it, And I'm going to go on top of it with the Pixi Uplift Max Honey Sheen lip gloss. It's like a plumping lip gloss, and it smells minty, and it's really quite nice. And the last step, I'm going to put some more of the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist and set my face with it. It does have a smell to it. I don't know what the smell is because I have so many smells going on. Maybe I can tell when I open it. I want to say it has almost a minty smell, but I might be smelling my lip gloss. I'm not sure, but I am enjoying it so far on first impressions. Now I'm going to go and get my hair done, or not get my hair done. I'm going to go do my hair, put some clothes on for the day, and I'll be right back with my intro and outro. Alright, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this Shimmery Chartreuse, I think that's how you pronounce it, eyeshadow look. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye!